All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a brief introduction, I guess I should say, I'm going to make to my channel. My name is Jim. People call me Mr. Fix-It, so I currently work for a large landscaping company where I maintain all their equipment, trucks, skid steers, Kubota tractors, John Deere tractors, lawnmowers, fleets of trucks, F-250s, 3 Chevys, GMCs, C4500s, diesels, you name it, dirt bikes, quads. I've been doing it all for a long time. Chippers, lawnmowers, weed whackers, you name it. I can do it. And if I can't do it, I'll figure it out. So, company I work for is packing in, retiring. Made enough money, I guess, to live the good life from now on. So if I don't try and, I guess, maybe purchase that or do something with them, I figured maybe while I'm looking for work, I'd start up a channel. I'm going to miss my shop. I have a large, basically, I mean, if there was nothing in here, I'd probably fit 10 cars in here, It's a pretty big shop that I've been working in for years. So I have pretty much everything at bay, and at hand that I need. So yeah, this is basically what I've been doing for the last few years. I got 3 kids, so 15, turning 15. 2 7-year-old boy-girl twins, and yeah, unfortunately, when you got to start looking for work, it's stressful. So maybe this is something that I could do in the meantime. And if you like and like any of the content that I put out, like and subscribe, and try to put out as much content as possible. Constantly fixing things, constantly. I got turbo cars, supercharger cars, blowers, nitrous cars, in the family that I've been, like I said, doing things for a long time. I don't know it all, and I doubt, anybody does, but what I do know is sufficient enough. So I feel I'm pretty qualified to make a channel of this kind of content. So yeah, again, it's just a little introduction. Thank you for taking the time, and yeah, hopefully I see you soon. Thank you.